technical corner, it's about funding, but what I want to cover this time is, why would I use a broker? Why don't I just go to my banker?
Colin, good question. You can actually go to your banker. Go to your bank, by all means, and get some quotations from your bank. Yep. We like that. We like competition. And we're here to prove that actually going to broker is not more expensive. In fact, in a lot of cases, it can be cheaper. And also, it actually smooths the deal.
Right, okay. You say cheaper. You know, brokers, they've got a bad reputation from previously. They're going to rip me off.
That has been a reputation in the past, but it's not nowadays and hasn't been for quite some time. Okay. Yes, we need to earn a buck. We need to earn out of it. You know, we're all in it for business. Yep. But working with a broker, especially our broker, our brokerage, we have a number of funding lines in where we can get some preferential rates.
Right. Okay. So you've got a number. So I've gone to my bank, one bank. How many can you go to?
Well, I've got access to 65.
Right. Okay. So I'm assuming those 65, they're all going to do the same deal for me.
No, they all have different criteria, just like going to the high street banks, they all have slightly different criteria, and so do ours, and they cater for the different businesses that are out there.
Okay, when you say different criteria, I haven't got a deposit.
Not a problem to us.
Okay.
So we've got funders that will work with zero deposit.
Yep.
We've got funders that will work with a bigger deposit. You generally get a better rate for that.
Okay.
But again, whatever your needs and requirements are, we can tailor something around you.
Okay. All right. You say you do finance and you're a broker. You know, have you got compliance? Have you got people in the background who sort of watch over your industry?
Yeah, good question, Colin. People want to know that it's secure. Yep. So we are governed by the FCA, report to the FCA,
right,
and we report to the NAFCB, which is also the broker compliance arm as well. So we're actually heavily regulated in the broker market. We have to do the same tests and exams that we did whilst we were in bank.
Okay, so again, I don't want to get involved in finance. I hate, you know, it's really, speak to the bank managers, it's just a nightmare. It scares me. I'd rather be making components, have my head in the machine, basically.
And that's a story I hear quite often.
Yep.
So yes, I'm here to make a relationship. When I've made that relationship with you, that's my job. Okay. My job is to take the fear out of finance for you, right, that headache, take it away, put it through me. That's what I do, and that's actually what I enjoy. Well,
we've got a great example here. I think Ben from ProSpeed, because no experience in finance. Well, why would he?
I think ProSpeed Precision, Ben here was a great example. I mean, he's a gifted technical engineer, but they've come from a startup, him and his brother. Yep. His brother was in the forces. Ben was obviously working in the industry for another provider or another company, but no experience in business, no background to work with, and very little deposit for the machine they wanted.
Okay, so you basically took the fear out of finance for him.
I took everything away from him and just provided him with a deal at the end of it. And gave him the options, sat down with him, and we went through it very transparently, and he was very happy with it.
Okay, so brilliant. So ultimately, loads of interest rates, loads of different deals, taking the fear out of finance.
Very much so.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Paul, thank you very much.
Okay.